I look childish, man.
Childish? What's going on? How you feel about that? Like, what's going on?
She's like my corners, mad.
Man, that's crazy. I mean, I do understand what she's saying. Like, you do got a crazy widow's peak right here, and your corners is receding like crazy, like almost gone. You know, we could just buzz it down. You know, right now, I could really take the clipper right now and just cut it all off. I got a better solution for you. You know, instead of the bald head, we could just cut this hair down to a nice, manageable, curly afro. Give you a nice blurry taper on the side. But most importantly, give you a full crispy lineup with no pushback in these corners, you know? I think the ladies gonna like it. What you think, bro?
Hey, get me right, bro. Like the sound of that,
Man, we're
man.
gonna make you look like a boss after this haircut. You ready for the cut?
The cut, man.
Yes, sir. Let me put you back in the gates.